Protect-All Rapid Weld, the industry's best flooring, is now the industry's fastest flooring. On the floor and in the corners, Protect-All Rapid Weld installs better, faster, and more profitably. Let's take a look at a time-lapse comparison between rapid weld and traditional welding. Protect-All Rapid Weld completes the floor weld more than 4 times faster than traditional welding. And here's an added bonus. Nearly anyone can be trained to proficiency with rapid weld in under an hour. Now, let's take a look at how rapid weld compares to traditional welding of cove and corners. Protect-All Rapid Weld's advantage is even more pronounced in the corners, completing the weld 11 times faster than traditional welding. That's the kind of speed that creates seamless profitability and true competitiveness. Gone are the days of shutting down high traffic areas for days at a time. The floor can be glued and welded in one day, unlike tile or traditional welding techniques. A higher consistent quality weld, lower labor costs, increased profitability. Protect-All Rapid Weld. One day and done.